Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And tonight I found a new font on DA Fonts called Crinkles Decor Personal Use. And if you just go to DA Fonts and type that in, and it's so easy to download and install. And I was looking for a new font and I always type in the font and some letters. And when I typed in the letters, I got these. And there's a lot you can do with it. So when I typed in the numbers, excuse me. So I'm just going to type in, I've got those numbers typed out. I'm going to go to that font and look at this. Tell me you can't use that in the future for embellishing so we'll Control D and or Control K and break that up. And you can change this a lot. You can make it thicker. You can make it shorter and embellish a letter and a font with it and play with it. And then also the font itself, if we take this word font and turn it into that font, there's parts of the letters that you can use that I made these two from that would take you a pretty good long time to draw smooth and symmetrical curves like that, unless you're a really good artist. But if we take it and left click and right click and actually go and turn it into a curve, then we can take nodes. And if we take these 4 nodes away and then take those 2 nodes and right click and turn them into a line, and then take these nodes away, and that one and those and these 2, and then turn these into a line by right clicking and turn into a line. If we take the Smart Fill tool, well, one of the things, that could be a fancy T, but take your 2-point line and close this. Let me zoom in a little bit. And I've got snap to on, so it's going to snap to that node. So you have to convert it to a curve. But then we could, I'm going to change it. I was working with yellow earlier. I mean, look at that. You tell me you can't make a font fancy with already pre-drawn swirls like that. And even this word here, you could take it and change it and use part of even this word. I mean, the inside of just that, of course you could do that by duplicating it, but take a 2-point line and, well, we have to convert it to a curve so it'll snap to it. And then take a 2-point line and close this gap right here, and then fill that with a Smart Fill tool. I mean, you can't tell me you can't use that in the future somewhere when you're drawing something. Just for instance, take it and Control K and make a duplicate of it, holding down the Control button and mirror it over. And you could actually even join this together. I mean, I don't know what it is, but it's pretty cool. And then take it and weld it together, and you've got a whole new shape that you can embellish something with it. You'd probably never use that, but you could definitely use, like this or this longer. So only different in the numbers I found, they're just longer, which doesn't really make a lot of sense because you can change every one of them to the same shape. You can make them thicker. They might be a little bit different, like that is pretty different, got a different end on it. I mean, I can see that just adding that to, anything. Anyway, I thought I'd just share with that. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.